everyone, this is Ibrahim from the Real Estate Group. In today's video, we're going to be going over the differences between freehold properties and condominium properties. So let's start off by defining what is a freehold property. A freehold property is one where the homeowner owns the property and the land outright. No part of the property is co-owned with adjacent property owners or neighbors. So what this means is if you buy a freehold property, you and only you are responsible for maintaining the land and the cost to maintain the land and the property. This is the most common form of home ownership, and it does offer the most privacy and freedom of choice. Due to this, freehold properties are often the most expensive when sold on the market. So moving on now, what is a condominium property? A condominium property is one where the homeowner has full ownership of their unit, but they share ownership of the common elements of the property. The common elements can include the lobby, the recreational areas, walkways, garages, and more depending on the type of condo property that you purchase. So if you buy a condo property, you are responsible for two main things. Number one, you are responsible for maintaining the interior of your unit. The exterior of the unit and the common elements are usually maintained and upkept by the condo association or the condo board. However, you must pay a proportionate share of the expenses to maintain the property. Typically, this is in the form of a monthly maintenance fee paid to the condo board or the condo association. You are also required to follow the rules and bylaws set by the condo board, which can restrict your privacy and freedom of choice. For this reason, condo properties are often less expensive when sold on the market. Having said that, a condo does offer many benefits such as access to services and amenities not commonly found with freehold properties, such as spas, gyms, pools, and many more, which make them a very popular choice for first-time home buyers. So which type of properties should you buy? Ultimately, you must decide which form of homeownership is best suited for you, your budget, your family, and your lifestyle, because both of them have their pros and cons. Like always, if you have any questions or if you'd like to know more, please feel free to reach out to us.